Body fluid and electrolyte. They are found inside or outside cells. Cells have normal fluid and electrolyte concentration for survival. Body fluids means fluid present in body and it is important for transportation of oxygen and nutrient cells and waste product out of cells. Example plasma, lymph, CSF. Total body form 60% of body weight in adult. Total body weight 40 liter. Extracellular fluid 12 liters 20%. Plasma 2.5 liters 5%. Interstitial 15% 9.5 liter. Intracellular fluid ICF 40% 28 liter. Fluid distribution in body distribute into body compartment. Intracellular compartment space inside cell. Fluid called as intracellular fluid make 40% of body weight in adult and 53.31% in children. Acts as a medium for transport of basic material, oxygen, nutrient, hormone needed for cell growth, repair, and performance of various functions. Extracellular compartments space outside cell makes 20% of adult body weight and 26.71% in children. It circulates in space between space of cells and brings nutrition and other substance to cells. It is divided into two subcompartments: interstitial compartment 12 liter, intravascular compartment 6 liter. In interstitial compartment, space between tissue, also called tissue fluid, makes 15% of body weight in adult and 20% in children. Intravascular compartment, space inside blood vessel, also called plasma, 5% of body weight in adult. Function of blood fluid, transportation of nutrition and other chemical substances, stimulation of chemical activities and metabolic process, regulation and maintenance of temperature, excretion of water and waste products, transportation of nutrients and chemical substances such as protein, fat, carbohydrates, vitamin, minerals from blood stream into cells. Stimulation of chemical activities and metabolic process of cells. Blood carries enzymes and hormones secreted from one part of the body to target cells. Example, insulin secreted by pancreas is carried by blood to the liver, muscles where insulin acts glucose. Regulation and maintenance of temperature. Heat loss occurs in form of sweat. Sweat requires water or body fluid. Evaporation of sweat maintains normal body temperature 37 degrees Celsius or 98 degrees Fahrenheit even when surround temperature is hot or cold or during exercise. So people should drink water during heavy work and fever. Excretion of water and waste products. Body fluid help in excretion in form of urine, stool, expired air, sweat. When we drink less water, urine become due to concentration. Normal fluid intake and output. Daily intake, water intake fluid 1500 ml. Daily output, kidney, urine 1400 ml. Water in food absorbed, skin, sweat 450 ml. Water in food absorbed in metabolic process 200 ml. Long expired air 350 ml. Total 2400 ml. Intestine as feces 200 ml. Total 2400 ml. Composition of electrolytes. In normal condition, daily intake and output fluid is always balanced. Several ways of gain and loss of fluid is described above. This intake and output is balanced by body's hemostatic mechanism. If intake is reduced, output will also be reduced, maintaining this balance. Body electrolyte. Electrolytes are chemical substances that develop tiny electric charges when dissolved in solvent. They help in maintenance of water and acid-base balance. Type of electrolyte. When dissolved in water, electrolyte develop positive and negative charge. Anion, negative charge. Chloride, bicarbonate, sulfate, phosphate, cation, positive charge. Sodium, calcium, potassium, magnesium. Body fluid and electrolyte balance defined as state when volume of body water and solid particle are within normal limit and there is normal distribution of fluid and electrolyte in intracellular and extracellular compartment. Balance maintained by two processes. Osmosis, movement of water or solvent from lower concentration to higher concentration through semi-permeable membrane until concentration of two solution is equalized. This flow of water is called osmosis. Osmosis. Diffusion, Here, solid from higher concentration will move to region of lower concentration. Importance of fluid and electrolyte balance, regulation of heart, kidney, lungs activity, maintenance of osmotic pressure, control blood clotting, control muscle contraction, proper digestion of food, maintain normal blood pressure, maintain normal blood plasma pH, conditions that cause fluid and electrolyte imbalance, diarrhea, vomiting, dysentery, high fever, hemorrhage, burn, continuous wound drainage, increased urine output, stress, hyperventilation. Composition of electrolyte in body plasma millimole per liter. Cation, anion. Sodium 136 to 146, potassium 3.5 to 5.5, anion. Chloride 100 to 105, bicarbonate 25 to 30, phosphate 15 to 30. Condition and common use. Dehydration, diarrhea, deficiency of fluid, dysentery, burn, hemorrhage, vomiting, hypernatremia, diarrhea, pyrexia, hyponatremia, excess sweating, hypokalemia, burn, hypokalemia, diarrhea, acid base balance. It is the normal ratio between acid and base required for maintaining pH of body fluid. The ratio between acid and base in body is 1:20. Source of acid and base. Eaten food. Common salt gives NaCl. Citrus fruit gives potassium, sodium and other acids. Milk gives cation. Calcium. Cation. Calcium cation. Cells during metabolism of carbohydrate, protein cells produce carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide combines with water to give carbonic acid. Secretion of acid and base. Hydrochloric acid secreted by stomach. NaCO3. Sodium bicarbonate secretes acid in bile. Body fluid. pH equals to 7. Denotes neutral. Example water. pH is more than 7 denotes alkaline solution. pH less than 7 denotes acidic solution. pH of blood is 7.4 to 7.5. Normal pH of body fluid. Urine 4.5 to 8. Saliva 6.4 to 7.4. Gastric juice 1.5 to 1.8. Bile 5.5 to 7.7. Mechanism of acid-base balance. 3 mechanism. Respiratory system, urinary system, buffer system. Respiratory system, acidosis. Respiration decreases, blood carbon dioxide increases. Blood pH decreased, acidosis. Stimulation and respiratory center in medulla. Faster and deeper respiration. Blood carbon dioxide decreased due to expiration of excess carbon dioxide. Blood pH increases to normal. Thank you.